Our course is divided into 4 parts. So we start with the very basics, learning how to work with lines.
In this course, we are taught how to illustrate different pictures, create them ourselves, and draw.
I want to become an animator. Here I'm learning, for example, how to draw with a pen in a single line. The atmosphere here is really interesting, and the people are great too.
Ultimately, our very last 4th course is focused on creating your own comic.
You always have to overcome obstacles and keep moving toward your goals.